Welcome at AnnWanders. You know, right now almost the season of roses. I recognize more and more roses blooming on the way where I'm walking. Today decided to share with you beautiful and amazing video about roses. So today I wouldn't like to take your time talking and telling you lots of interesting and long stories. Just I would like to show you roses and sharing with you beautiful moments and nice music. So stay tuned with AnnWanders. We are walking between roses today.
Some walks are not about reaching a destination. They are about slowing down, noticing the colors around you, and discovering small surprises nature quietly leaves behind. An evening walk through roses and reflections by the lake. Nature always knows how to slow us down for a moment. But I didn't know that in the end of this walk, there will be somebody waiting for me to wave and say hello or sweet dreams. And what are you doing today? Is anybody waiting for you somewhere? Or you are going to find or meet somebody by surprise? See you soon at AnnWanders.